Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a super easy little treat container that you can make for your friends, your family, your co-workers. It's a little elf. He's got little bells. He's got little ears. He's made from a Tootsie Roll container. You can get these at Dollar Tree, Walmart. If you want to know how to make him, stick around. I'll show you how. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. But make sure you make plenty because everybody will want one. Thanks. Okay, for this one, we're going to use one of the Tootsie Roll banks. I got this at Dollar Tree. Go ahead and remove your plastic first. Then we're going to take a piece of 9 by 4 3/4 inch felt, and we're going to take our pattern for the jacket and put it at the bottom, and we're going to cut that out. Now, I've given you that all in the description below. You can just download it. Just get all those little triangles off of there, and then we're going to take a piece of fabric that's 3 inches by 9 inches, and we're just going to hem up the bottom, and we're going to hem up one side. Okay, next we're going to attach it to our Tootsie Roll container, and we're going to make sure that our seams match the seam in the back. So go ahead and line that up and then just glue that straight down to the very bottom. Make sure you go all the way to the bottom on this. And then go ahead and glue it all the way around and your finished seam on the outside edge. And I'm just kind of stretching that along to make sure it doesn't have any puckers in it. And then just glue down the back. And then we're going to glue a little bit around the top edge as well. Just try to make sure that your stripes are up straight and you don't have any wrinkles in there so you don't see it through the felt. Okay, next we're just going to put our felt on there, and we're just going to go right up against the edge of that lip right there, and we're going to glue that all the way around. Just make sure that your seam does end in the back the same place where your seam for your stripe part is. And then go ahead and glue down the back, and then just overlap it and glue it there as well. Okay, next we're going to attach the belt. We're just going to come into the back and wrap it around to the front. So the opening will be in the front, and then we're going to cover it up with a buckle. And that's an 8.5 by 1/2 inch belt, and then the buckle is 3/4 by 3/4. And just glue that all the way around, and just make sure when you get to the front that you do have that they meet. And then we're just going to glue the buckle right in the center of it. Next, we're going to make the hat. It's 10.5 inches wide by 11 inches tall. We're just going to fold it over, and we're going to start at the bottom and cut all the way to the top at a curve. Then we're going to just go ahead and glue it down. Now the bottom part is the 10.5 inch side. Just glue it all the way to the top, and then we're going to just let that dry. Next, we're going to make the beard. We're going to cut it at 2.5 inches wide by 1 3/4 inches in length. And just going to start and curve around in a U shape, cutting behind the faux fur only, all the way back up to the other side, and then we're just going to clean the excess fur off of it. Okay, next we're just going to go ahead and turn our hat right side out. Just put your pliers all the way to the end, kind of pinch it, and then just pull it out and out. And then we're just going to set that aside. Next, we're going to take a piece of red felt, and we are just going to cut some trim out for our hat. Now this is in the pattern too. There's a pattern in the description below. Just download it and then just cut this out. Just make sure that you get your points pretty straight, because you will see those on the hat if you don't. So really kind of take some time on working on this one. Okay, next we're just going to attach it to our hat. We're just going to go right in the very center. And we're going to start gluing it down all the way around. Then we're going to go ahead and come back in and glue up each of the little points as well. Just make sure you do get it right up at the edge, because once you get that beard in there, you will, if you don't get to the edge and you see green, you will notice it when the hat goes onto the container. Okay, next we're going to attach our beard just right in the center there. Just flip your hat over and we're going to put a bead of glue all the way around the front side edge, and we're just going to attach our beard. Okay, next go ahead and put your hat over your container, pull it on down in the back, and then we're going to put our nose on. We're just going to put a little dollop of glue on there and then just put it right in the center, kind of lift your hat back a little bit, and then glue that in. Okay, next I'm taking some real little bells and I'm just going to put it at the peak of each one of those little points. Just go ahead and glue it right to the very top peak on each one of those. Go all the way around the hat and get each one of them done. There's going to be 7 points. Next, I'm just taking a little bit bigger bell and I'm just going to attach it to the tip of the hat. Next, I'm just going to take a 12-inch pipe cleaner. I'm going to stick it all the way to the tip of that hat. I'm going to cut off the excess. I'm just going to glue this down. This will make it to where we can bend our hat over. Okay, next we're just going to attach it to our container and we're just going to kind of pull it down into the back. Pull the back down farther than the front. And then we're just going to go ahead and bend our hat over. Now I glued mine at first, but I changed my mind. I thought it looked better if you don't. So you can glue it if you want to, but I didn't do it on the other ones. Next, I'm going to take some felt and I'm just going to cut out some little ears. Now I kind of did this, just winged it, but I'm giving you the pattern for those ears in the description below. You can download them and cut them out with the pattern. And just going to fold them in half, put a little bit of glue inside, and just fold them in half, kind of at the bottom only. And then we're just going to go ahead and attach them to our container. So just put a little bit of glue down the side and then just attach that. Now see, you can see in there where I had that glue down, I changed my mind on the other ones that I did. But you can do it however you like. This was pretty easy. You can make a lot of these pretty fast. If you like this kind of video, hit like. If you want to see future videos, hit subscribe. If you want to be notified when I have another video, hit the bell. Thank you so much for watching. But make a lot of these because all your friends will want one.